Cardiovascular system anatomy and physiology. According to Nurses-2023. The almost continuous traffic into and out of a busy factory at rush hour occurs at a snail's pace compared to the endless activity going on within our bodies. Like the bustling factory, the body must have a transportation system to carry its various cargoes back and forth, and this is where the cardiovascular system steps in. Functions of the heart includes: first, managing blood supply. Variations in the rate and force of heart contraction match blood flow to the changing metabolic needs of the tissues during rest, exercise, and changes in body position. Second, managing blood supply. Variations in the rate and force of heart contraction match blood flow to the changing metabolic needs of the tissues during rest, exercise, and changes in body position. Third, securing one-way blood flow. The valves of the heart secure a one-way blood flow through the heart and blood vessels. Fourth function is to transmitting blood. The heart separates the pulmonary and systemic circulations, which ensures the flow of oxygenated blood to tissues. Anatomy of the heart. The cardiovascular system can be compared to a muscular pump equipped with one-way valves and a system of large and small plumbing tubes within which the blood travels. Take a look at the structures of the heart. The heart muscle has 3 layers and they are as follows. Epicardium. The epicardium, or the visceral and outermost layer, is actually a part of the heart wall. Myocardium. The myocardium consists of thick bundles of cardiac muscle twisted and whirled into ring-like arrangements, and it is the layer that actually contracts. Endocardium. The endocardium is the innermost layer of the heart and is a thin, glistening sheet of endothelium that lines the heart chambers. Chambers of the heart. The heart has 4 hollow chambers, or cavities, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. Receiving chambers. The 2 superior atria are primarily the receiving chambers. They play a lighter role in the pumping activity of the heart. The great blood vessels provide a pathway for the entire cardiac circulation to proceed. Superior and inferior vena cava. The heart receives relatively oxygen-poor blood from the veins of the body through the large superior and inferior vena cava and pumps it through the pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary arteries. The pulmonary trunk splits into the right and left pulmonary arteries, which carry blood to the lungs, where oxygen is picked up and carbon dioxide is unloaded. Pulmonary veins. Oxygen-rich blood drains from the lungs and is returned to the left side of the heart through the 4 pulmonary veins. Aorta. Blood returned to the left side of the heart is pumped out of the heart into the aorta, from which the systemic arteries branch to supply essentially all body tissues. The heart is equipped with 4 valves, which allow blood to flow in only one direction through the heart chambers. And that includes the atrioventricular valves. Atrioventricular or AV valves are located between the atrial and ventricular chambers on each side, and they prevent backflow into the atria when the ventricles contract. The heart also has bicuspid valves. The left AV valve, the bicuspid or mitral valve, consists of 2 flaps, or cusps, of endocardium. Tricuspid valve. The right AV valve, the tricuspid valve, has 3 flaps. Semilunar valve. The second set of valves, the semilunar valves, guards the bases of the 2 large arteries leaving the ventricular chambers, thus they are known as the pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves. And that's the overview of the anatomy and physiology of the heart. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.